Shemai, as the Chief Social Care Officer for Wales, I am delighted to join you in celebrating Social Work Week. Social work is more than simply a profession. It is a vital role in our society. You are truly national treasures, and your unwavering commitment to supporting individuals and community, especially during challenging times, is extraordinary. Reflecting on my own experiences as a social worker, I'm reminded of the resilience, the strength, and the passion that define our profession. Social work is a complex and demanding role. Your compassion and drive for positive change inspires us all. I extend my deepest gratitude to each one of you. You are the heart and soul of social work in Wales. Diolch gan, Wythnos Gwaith Cymdeithasol hapus. Happy Social Work Week.